Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Shades of Madi. Today I'll be teaching you guys how to blend text easily. I will teaching you how to make it more realistic on any object, which is text. So you come to blending options here. Blending options. Now from your gray, you come down to this slider here. You press your Alt and click. You drag this to 181, even like 181. Now drag this to, let it leave that 46. Now come to your blue here, same thing, Alt, drag, leave the first one at 0 and drag this to 106. Click OK. Now that's it. You can see it's looking realistic here. So please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. Thank you so much. I really appreciate. Now I will be creating some easy hacks to my future videos, so please turn on your notification bell to be able to see when I put my new videos. Thank you very much.